Hello everyone, welcome my channel. Okay, today I want to show you about how to create a logo YouTube channel. Yes, today I create the logo YouTube channel, my channel Kimsan Short Knowledge. I want to show you create channel on Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2016 easy for you. Can you watch my video and create by yourself? Yes, now we go to create all everyone. Yeah. The first step, we use this oval. Okay, drawings. Okay, and then everyone clicks on shape outlines, no outlines, shape fields, yellow. Okay, this color orange, and then we choose the copy and change color. Use this. Okay, and then create shape. Okay, and then everyone clicks all of two objects and format set. You click a merge set for this. Okay, and delete and delete. Okay, we send to back and then cut. Okay, make shape again, delete. Okay, reset, import a new drawing. Okay, and change this color. Okay, click format set, fill, gradient fill. Okay, choose color. Okay, and then everyone orange. So no outline. This color and merge gradient. We change color. Okay, this color that. Okay, and click shape outlines, white color, and no colors. Click white color and create sign. Okay, and then click on group object, zoom, zoom. Okay, rice name Kimsan. Okay, okay, already, and when you edit already, can just click save. Okay, save and save as, sorry, save as browser. And save two types and choose the PNG and desktop. Okay, okay, save just this one. Yes, we looked when you already this logo, and I create on PowerPoint here. Okay, you can get by yourself when you watch my video already. Thank you for watching my video.